At Craftsman Hardwood Flooring, we really try to give that special touch to every project that we have. And anytime that we can do something creative or something special or put that little attention to detail, we really try to do that. We really love the craft. We love wood floors, and so that's really important to us. And so I wanted to show you this project that we got going on. So we got this herringbone floor that we had done, and the client wanted a border around the edge. And so we actually weren't planning on doing a herringbone floor in this area, but the client had saw some ideas and thought it might be a good idea to try to do it. So they had come to us and said, hey, you know, we got this floor, we really love it. Can you do a herringbone pattern in this office area? And the rest of the house is going to be straight lay, but the client really wanted this area to stand out, and so we kind of already got it covered with some floor protection because they're doing some cabinets over here. But it really added some pizzazz to this floor, and we're doing a straight lay floor out here. And so one of the things that I thought was neat that we were able to do, and it was through some creativity, but this floor came pre-packaged with this size of a plank, and it turned out to be a really good size to do as a herringbone. And what we did is we unpackaged all of this flooring here and got these nice long lengths. So we saved all of the long lengths to be able to have a longer length floor here, and we used the shorter lengths to create this herringbone pattern. And it turned out that we were able to do this whole room and had just enough planks to do it all. So that was really neat. We used actually the smallest sizes to do all the cuts. So basically we used all the smallest pieces to get the herringbone pattern, and now we have long lengths to do the whole rest of the house. So anytime we can add this kind of details, that's really neat. But we just wanted to show this floor off. A little bit of creativity, a little bit of ingenuity. Shout out to Kenneth. He actually did pretty much all of this. I assisted him. He is learning to do more pattern type work, and he honestly knocked it out of the park. I mean, that's his border that he cut in. This is a pre-finished floor, and borders are especially tough with pre-finished floors because we're not going to sand it all down and have that luxury, and so it has to be perfect. And he definitely knocked it out of the park. I was really proud of him. You know, I've been training him to do this stuff for a long time, and I just said, hey, why don't you go for it? And he totally knocked it out of the park. I mean, he is definitely a craftsman.